Hello, everyone. Welcome today. I hope you all are well. I hope you all are blessed. I am blessed, and I know everyone else is blessed. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it, because I am. Okay, this is Miss Lena again, and I'm going to read my scripture today. He is coming to me shall never hunger. He that cometh to me shall never hunger. John 6:35. Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that believeth on me have everlasting life. Verily, verily, I say unto thee, you, he that believeth on me shall have everlasting life. John 6:47. I hope the reading of these scriptures today will reach someone that needs the word that I have just come forward with for today. I always believe that there's always someone, when the Lord has me picking out the scripture, that is someone is in the need of the word that I have picked out for today. So thank you now. Today I'm getting ready to make beef neck bones stew. I already have my bones washed and ready to go. Can you see them good? All right. So I have them washed and ready to go. So now I will be putting in, I have 1 can of beef broth. I'm going to pour in right now. Okay. Now I may have to use more. I do have more. So I'm just starting with the 1 can. I'm going to see how far that's going to go. Okay. Now, I'll be putting in my ingredients. This is my garlic powder. And of course, I use quite a bit of garlic powder and onion powder.
And again, y'all, no salt. It's onion powder and garlic powder.
And this is complete. Okay. Black pepper coming next. Okay, my black pepper. And this is the onion powder. Okay. All right. So now, I'm going to be putting in, this is my tomato paste, tomato sauce rather. And I'm going to add just a little water to it to reach out the can. This is not quite a half can of water. We're still a little bit more on the bottom. Okay. Okay. The pan is dark, so you're having a hard time getting it light in it. So you can see the meat as I stir it up around a little bit. Okay. That's a little bit more water. Taking out the can. Okay. So now, I'll be putting in bell peppers, onions, celery, and all of this. I have about 1.5 cups of bell peppers and bell pepper, celery, and this regular peppers and onions. Okay. I chopped them up real small. I stir them around. And now I didn't have any diced tomatoes, but I had some grape tomatoes that were getting freezing, they were getting older. So I'm going to pour them in there with the carrots and let them cook also. I've already kind of chopped them up a little bit.
And that's a cup of carrots, y'all.
Okay. Now I have my potatoes. I have one great big potato and 3 small ones. So I've chopped them up kind of small also. Okay, I have the Lipton seasoning onion pack. I'm going to put that in there also. I had the box. I was going to show it to you. I don't know what I did with it. I'll show it to you after a few minutes ago. Okay, so I'm going to put another bottle of water in. Just a little bit more of this beef broth. Then I'll add some water also. Now with stew, I like to have plenty of juice with the stew, so I'll add another bottle of water to go with that. That was about another half can of broth. Okay. I'm going to stir this up a little bit, then I'm going to put it on the stove and let it start to cook for about a few minutes, and then I'll come back and let y'all see it, and then I'll see how far long, because I'm not sure exactly how long it's going to take to cook. It shouldn't take no more than about 35-45 minutes on top of the stove. Thank you.
We'll be back.
Then I come back, when I come back, I'll put the potatoes on. I'm putting the potatoes into the stew right now. So I'll be back shortly when it finishes, when the potatoes get done. Okay. This is my final presentation of my beef neckbone stew. So it looks like it's going to be very good. And I'm going to take just a little bite so you all can see it. I did make me a little piece of cornbread, so I love stew with cornbread. Oh my goodness, I'm just got a whole little mess going here, but anyway. Trying to rush it up. Okay. And these are beef neck bones, so they're not going to have very much meat on them, but they do season real well. So that's what I'm going to have. I'm going to take just a little bite of it so you can see me. So I know they're off the chain. Every time I make some stew, they're really good. So I'm going to take just a little bite. So it's very hot. Very, very good. It's not such a cold day today, but it's still good. So I thank you all for viewing this video, and I hope you will enjoy. So if you get you some beef neck bones or pork neck bones, this is just something else that I was going to do for a cold day, but it's warmed up a little bit this week. So I thank you so much with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen, and I will see you in the next video. God bless each and every one of you all. Have a blessed day and a blessed week. Be safe, be careful, and keep prayer, and keep God first. Thank you so much. Goodbye.